This is show my living room. What's in your living room? There is. We have TV, Bible, books, chair, shark, rug, picture. Okay, that's it. How many chairs do you have? There are two chairs. Again, how many chairs do you have? I have two chairs. Okay, so what's in your living room? Okay, you say, this is my living room. Again, this. Okay, what's in your living room? What are these? They are chairs. Rachel, what else? What is it? Again, this is my living room. This is my living room. Okay, what's in your living room? What's in your living room? Wow. Okay, say hello. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. Hello, everyone.